Hello guys, my name is Ryan Renard B. Villegas. I have report in the title of Theory of Cognitive Development. Now, what is cognitive development? Cognitive development means how children think, explore, and figure things out. It is a development of knowledge, skills, problem solving, and disposition, which help children to think about and understand the world around them. Development, ito kung paano ang mga bata is paano mag-isip or mag-explore ng kanilang ma-explore sa environment. And itong cognitive development ay ito ay dinidevelop niya ang ating knowledge, skills, pag-solve ng problem at disposition. At itong cognitive development is which help children to think. Nakakatulong daw yung cognitive development sa pag-iisip ng mga bata at mag-understand sa kanilang paligid. Now, the next topic is about the Piaget main tenet, the child activity seeks knowledge. Schema is an organized unit of knowledge that the child use this to be able to understand a situation or an experience in which will serve as basis for organizing actions to respond to the environment. Schema, ito ay ginagamit ng mga bata para madali lang nila ma-understand ang mga situations or ang kanilang experience, and which will serve as basis para ma-organize ang actions to respond to the environment. Now, we have 4 stages of cognitive development. There are sensory motor stage, birth of 2 years, pre-operational stage, birth to 2 to 7 years, complete operational stage, birth age of 7 to 11, and the last is formal operational stage, 11 to 16 years. First, sensory motor stage in the age of 2 years. This stage where the child is able to use internal representation of external events, simply relying or reflexes. This period is divided into 6 sub-stages characterized by the ability of the child to explore the physical environment and engaging to symbolic thought and deferred dito sa sensory motor stage in the age of 2 years. Itong stage na to ay ito na yung maglabas yung mga 5 senses ng mga bata para ma-adapt nila yung kanilang ma-adapt nila ang environment. Katulad, ang mga 5 senses na ito ay yung hearing, seeing, tasting, smelling, and touching. Itong senses na ito ay this is the ability of the child to explore to the physical environment. At may mga simple relying on reflex, mga simple reflection, yung pagdidede. At saka, yung mga simple reflex na nagawa ng bata ay ginagawa na nilang mga habit. Example nito is yung ating mga thumb. Nung pagka baby pa natin, ang ating mga thumb ay ginasubo natin sa bunganga, ay ginagawa, ang iniisip natin is ito ay isang dede. Pangalawa, pre-operational stage, in the age of 2 to 7 years. One major development in the pre-operational stage is the development of symbolic function, as the ability to use symbols such as words, image, gestures to represent real object and events. Sa pre-operational stage, age of 2 to 7 years, ito na yung pinaka one major development ng isang bata kasi nagde-develop na to yung pagka-imahinasyon natin, pag-creativity natin, at mga parang ginagaya natin yung mga tao. Parang ginagaya natin yung mga tao, parang tawag doon is parang ambisyon natin, yung mga pangarap natin, parang yun yung ginagaya natin. Example nito, being a creativity of the child is yung sa words. Nagka-creativity na sila ng words. Mga lagot, katulad ng mga ngayon sa pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years, yun na yung example nito is pagka-cursive natin ng writing. Yun na yung na-adapt natin. Yun na yung natin doon. At sa pag-imagine natin, yung naglalaro tayo into 2 to 7 years, mga example nito is yung naglalaro tayo mga stuffed toys, mga maska-maskara dyan, o anong ilalaro natin. Inisip natin parang nandun tayo sa event na yun. Yun yung sinasabi, yun yung sa pre-operational stages. Yun yung nade-development na yung ating pagka-imaginations. Third stages of cognitive development is concrete operational stage in the age of 7 to 11 years old. Children are able to perform tasks that they were unable to do and master in the preceding stage, like conservation, classification, and part-whole relation. Dito sa pangatlong stages na to of cognitive development ay ang concrete operational stage. Itong stage na ito ay able to perform tasks that they were unable to do and master the preceding stage. Dito sa through my understanding in concrete operational stage is, ito na yung example nito ay yung bata nag-iinom ng isang glass of water, or example na lang din natin dito is juice. Nag-iinom siya ng juice. Bigla lang napaisip siya kung ang 1 glass of juice ay pareho lang ba sa mahabang baso? Pareho lang ba sa mahabang glass na ilagay mo yung juice? Pareho lang ba yung tansya ng paglagay mo ng juice? At dito na rin natin ang isang mga pagna-numbering sa concrete operational stage. Ito na yung example nito is pagsosolve natin ng isang numbers, mga katulad ng 5 plus 3 equals to 8, and 8 plus 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Yan na yung mga natin, napapaloob sa concrete operational stage. The last stages of cognitive development is the formal operational stage in the age of 11 to 16 years. This stage is when children can use abstract reasoning and can be flexible whenever they consider varied solution to a problem. Dito sa panghuling stage ng cognitive development ay ang formal operational stage, age 11 to 16 years. Dito sa stage na to, ito na yung dito na tayo nakaka-abstract ng mga reasonings or mga tanong na dapat nating kailangan na sagutin. At dito na rin yung magiging flexible whenever they considered varied solution to a problem. And itong formal operational stage is naano rin to sa mga adult para sa kanilang future. Dito na rin dito sa formal operational stage from adult, ito na yung naglalabas yung mga reasonings nila for the future. Kung mga katulad nito, example nito, ako nag-iisip na ako for the future ko kung ganito ba is may mga ganito bang gawin ko pagtapos ko ng ganyan. Lahat ng mga reasonings mo, lahat napapasok yun sa formal operational stage in 11 to 16 years. Now, the next topic is about Vygotsky sociocultural theory of cognitive. Vygotsky theory is comprised of concepts such as culture-specific tools, language and thought interdependence, and the zone proximal development. Ayon kay Vygotsky, sa kanyang theory na Vygotsky theory ay makaka-learn tayo ng mga bagong skills throughout environment or makikita lang natin sa paligid. According to Vygotsky, yun yung kanyang pagkakaintindi sa cognitive development. Yun